You are standing under a clear night sky, looking up at a vast ocean of stars. And for the first time in history, you do not need a degree in astrophysics to capture it. We are currently seeing a massive shift in how we interact with the cosmos, thanks to two very different smart telescopes that are battling for a spot in your backyard. One of these machines is built for the absolute beginner who wants a fun, fast, and affordable way to see the moon and distant nebulae. It is a compact all-in-one system that combines the camera, the mount, and the tracking software into a single lightweight package. You do not have to worry about complicated alignment or heavy gear. You just set it on its tripod, connect your phone, and pick a target. Within minutes, it is tracking the object across the sky and stacking images in real time. It is the ultimate tool for instant gratification. You can literally watch a galaxy take shape on your screen while you sit in a lawn chair with a cold drink. It is small enough to throw in a backpack, making it the perfect companion for a road trip to a dark sky park. However, there is a trade-off for all that convenience and the lower price tag. Because it uses smaller optics, it cannot gather as much light as its more expensive rival. Your photos will look great on a phone screen, but they might lack the deep, crisp detail that serious enthusiasts crave. That is where the premium imaging station comes into play. This device is designed for those who are willing to invest more for professional-grade results. It features a much larger aperture and superior optics that allow it to drink in the faint light of distant star clusters. The images it produces are sharper, cleaner, and full of intricate detail that the budget model simply cannot match. It also uses sophisticated software to create massive mosaic images, stitching together different parts of the sky into one giant, high-resolution masterpiece. The build quality feels luxury, and the operation is incredibly smooth. But this machine requires a bit more patience. It is not about getting a quick shot for social media. It is about letting the telescope work for hours to reveal the true beauty of a deep space object. The software interface on both units is designed to be intuitive. You open an app and it shows you a list of what is visible in your sky tonight. You just tap on a name, like the Orion Nebula or the Andromeda Galaxy, and the telescope whirs into action. There is something magical about seeing that first faint glow appear on your phone screen. With the budget-friendly option, it happens fast. With the premium station, it starts slow, but the image gradually becomes so clear it looks like it came from a space agency. You can see the colors of the stars and the delicate structures of cosmic clouds. It turns your smartphone into a window to the deep past. It is about more than just photography. It is about the connection you feel when you realize that little speck of light on your screen is a collection of billions of stars. Whether you choose the portable, affordable route or the high-end professional path, you are getting a front row seat to the greatest show in existence. Both of these devices are changing the game, making the wonders of the universe accessible to anyone with a smartphone and a sense of wonder. You just have to decide how deep into the darkness you want to look.